Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over a new segment. This segment is called Meditation Metaphors, man. So today I want to give y'all a metaphor why you should never give up, right? Now imagine this. Imagine you're a track racer, right? And you just at the finish line, right? And you've been running this long, treacherous 20-mile run, right? And you was out of energy. You was going through all of these mental battles. You thought you couldn't make it, thought you couldn't do it. But the moment you saw the finish line, the moment you was tired as fuck. You was tired as hell. You had no energy, right? You had zero energy. All your energy was depleted. But the moment you seen the finish line, out of nowhere, like in an instant, energy started to materialize back up into you. You started to get all the feelings back. You started to get all of the strength, all of your drive and willpower. You started to get all of that back. And you push through the finish line and win. Now, what does that mean? Like, what is that symbolic for, man? You may be on track, on path to completing one of your goals, right? And you may think, damn, I ran out of energy. I don't have nothing left. I don't have nothing left to give, right? In the moment you get inspired, the moment something sparks you to take action, to move forward, the moment you see a glimpse of progress that can be made to take you further on that path, right? Energy is gonna well up in your being. Energy is gonna well up in your being out of nowhere, right? And this is within you. You have an endless source of energy within you. You just have to be inspired. You just gotta get inspired. If you feel like you about to give up, don't give up, because you probably right at the finish line. And soon as you realize that you that close, even if you knew, right? Like if you was working on something, you knew tomorrow, if you knew for certain, like tomorrow was the day that you would finally break through and get all the accolades, everything you deserve, right? All of the work, all of the pain you went through, all that shit, it's gonna feel like it's worth it. And then the energy is just gonna well up out of you, out of nowhere. It's just gonna materialize because it's already within you. You're not tired. You just need to be inspired. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.